Welcome, dear friends. My colleague, who is having a mobile duty and rarely sat on his seat, he requested me to make a digital register, preferably in MS Excel, which should be easy to use, and it could also be used in Android mobile, and the data could be transferred to computers. So I am here to share with you the same. Let's go to the screen without wasting time. So JQ Khan Tech Digital Register is here, and first is serial number with available names and our serial number weeks. Remember, Saturday and Sunday are shaded because we do need to have presence on that day. So days of the week is above all, and I'll have to add a row 1 to 5 which could show working days. Now we will add formula is equal to count F, small parenthesis start, and now we will feed the first cell address which is under 1 or Monday. C6 you can manually write it as well as you can feed it by click of a mouse, and then full column and G6 comma inverted comma double inverted comma P, and again double inverted comma parenthesis close, and our formula has been feeded. Now we are ready to calculate it. So let's write P. We have feeded the Excel sheet P as to count it. So now 5 days JQ Khan was available, so 5 is shown. Now we will calculate the average of the first person. So is equal to the cell address which is under total attendance into 100 by 5, because 5 working days are available. So JQ Khan was available 5 days, and his percentage is 100%. Now select both cell and drag it down, so formula has been feeded. Now let's check the same with another row. Now I will also calculate the average of the 4 employees collectively is equal to sum. Select the area. Now you can see that K6 to K9 has been selected by 4 because of 4 guys are working. So in case if only one person is available entire week, so 25% average is correct. Now let's see and check ahead. Now we can detect single individual percentage as well as average percentage of each and every person. In case if all person are available, so everywhere you will see 100. Now let's cut half. So 50. It means that our calculation is again correct. And 1/4, so 25, again it's correct. Now let's check it manually. Now this is a calculation through which we could see that A stand for absent, so you can see that everywhere you can see 0. Our calculation are exactly correct, and now we will see different. Again all are present, and calculation of each and every individual is correct, so it means our table is calculating precisely correctly. Now a random check, you can see that every time I change, the data change. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.